Big fat ugly guy. Uncle Jim. There's Uncle Jim and Uncle Jimmy.
You can make money off that.
And they both look a lot alike.
Put that on internet for $1. You get 1,000,000 hits.
I'm sure I will.
You will. You just put
That's just you reloading to see yourself over and over again.
No, all you gotta do is just put fat man eating cheesecake, and everybody will wonder, well, what's this about? And they'll all pay $1 to see. I mean, something stupid.
There's a cheesecake. So I'm eating. In my tight ass shorts, my mom's making me wear them. With some wine.
What is that? Man, video. Oh, flip.
Hmm?
Flip.
Mm-hmm. That's what it is. Yes, I'm making a video. I'll edit the shit out of it.
She's probably got all the sex stuff in here and all that. Plus you gotta go home and take notes and write it down.
Okay, Zachary. Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
And we hope there's a few
We figured that's one for each, decade.
There's the pink ones are for every year after the 70th. There's one for each decade, and then the pink ones are for.
We knew you didn't have enough breath to blow out that many
no more to
candles.
grow on, right? Because we don't.
No, we can't make a cake that
We
big.
don't should grow anymore.
He hasn't counted how many candles on
I know,
there.
Next year we'll take 2, we'll just put 1 on there.
74.